Are we starting to stress the system? Of course.
The rules have changed on this virus. It's become a lot more contagious.
Two of the Valley's top health authorities addressing the rising COVID cases and hospitalizations in the Valley.
Channel 5's Monica de Anda joins us in the studio with more on their concerns.
Good evening. Hidalgo County's health authority, Dr. Ivan Melendez, calling the current COVID situation in his county dire. Today, Hidalgo reported just shy of 250 people hospitalized, and those numbers only keep rising. Just last month, 46 people were hospitalized with COVID in Hidalgo County. Today, we're at 246, the number multiplying more than 5 times in 30 days.
That's unheard of. I mean, this is numbers that are even greater than before the vaccination. True, a year ago, almost 99% were COVID patients, but we were down to 8-9%, and we're up to 30%.
Right now, about 1 in 3 hospital beds are being used by a COVID patient. And although the vast majority of people hospitalized are unvaccinated, Melendez says closer to 15% of patients in Hidalgo are breakthrough cases, people who are fully vaccinated.
We know that at least 80% of the new cases are of the Delta variant. And we know that the Delta variant has a less of a response to immunization than the ancestral original strain.
Over in Cameron County, the number of COVID cases and hospitalizations also keeps rising. But 95% of those hospitalized there are unvaccinated.
The number looks pretty much almost like a vertical line. We look at the hospital numbers. So July 1st, there was 88 people in the whole valley hospitalized. By this past weekend, we were up to 300. So in 4 weeks, it tripled. And now it's going up even higher into the mid 400s in a few days.
The number of people still unvaccinated, coupled with summer camps, travel, and the highly contagious Delta variant, are all factors behind the rising number in hospitalizations. Both health authorities urging everyone, vaccinated or not, to take precautions to reduce your risk of getting the virus.
We need to approach it with seriousness again from all different angles.
Get vaccinated if you haven't been. Wear masks. If you're not vaccinated, those rules have always applied. If you are vaccinated, it's time to break out the mask again.
Melendez and Castillo both want to be clear this isn't a time to panic, but rather an opportunity to take personal responsibility and do your part to stop the virus from spreading any further in our community. Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.